Take two. Hopefully no injury to doggy or eye. I'm gonna do this the hard, creative way for two small guys.
Just gotta make sure you lift up a bit so we can get it. Or do we want to start at on the concrete and then lean
start
it
on the ramp. Start on the ramp and then lean it towards you.
Okay. We're going back.
Otherwise, we'll have to try and jump that home.
You're on the river. Alright, ready?
You start tipping it your way. Okay, so I guess we just want to start from the concrete. We'll roll it on after you get it tipped. If you get far enough back, how far back you want to go? Are you doing it from there or are you going to go back further?
It's actually a lot more difficult to pull up than I thought it would be.
Tell me when you're ready. I'd go back further and get more hand on the top of it. There you go. Get back and do it like a dolly. And you come towards you. Here comes Mikey now.
Speak of the devil.
Sorry, fellas.
Oh, you're good.
Fucking smashing some food.
Perfect timing. We were just about to try. We thought we outsmarted it, thought we had a handle, but
Just opening it up.
I was waiting until he says he's ready to go. Alright.
You looking alright?
You
Ready?
1, 2, 3, here we come.
Oh, that's slippery. Oh, we're good. I missed my toes.
Okay, thanks for the miss. It's not break nothing. No one.
Right.
It's very slippery.
Yep.
This back in.
Oh, I got foot pops on too, brother.
It's very slippery.
Make sure you got it on. Ready? We're gonna lift up at the same time as he's pushing up. Go. Push it on, you got it, brother. Push it up, brother. Cause we can't pull. Watch out for your toes. Push on, push. Oh. Alright, let her down real quick so we don't smash no toes.
Just set her down.
We are, she's tilted.
Yeah,
She's
just keep
tilted.
going. No. Slide. Gently.
We're gonna slide too much. Over here. There you go.
Slide.
Nice and easy. Alright, now we're hitting your rug. We're hitting your rug too much.
Okay.
She's starting to pop up.
Well, we were already popped up a little bit.
Alright. You're alright with it.
Alright, I fixed the carpets.
Oh. One more, huh? Oh, she's a heavy bitch. She wasn't heavy as this one, but she heavy.
She's still 300 pounds.
Fuck yeah, she is. Odd shape too. She's in. She is in.
Stand her up. Well, we don't gotta stand her up for now. We just gotta get her in. We can stand her up. We can stand her up in the shop where I got muscles and I got 4 guys. Let's just get her out of my driveway.
There you
There you
go.
go.
She's in.
You shut the door. Victory, boys.
Don't
I got a
see
couple-
green paint.
Oh shit, I got like 10 minutes.
She would have fell flat, so I don't think we damaged it or anything. So caused no damage to it.
Oh no, she fell flat on that. She's okay.
She's in. No broken toes, just close.